Everyone, so this hairstyle I'm about to do is like one of my all-time favorite hairstyles to do. So you can split your hair in the middle or to the side. Before I start, like, comment and subscribe and all that jazz, but I'm just getting straight into it. Yeah, so ignore the dandruff. Like I've said in past videos, I've just been suffering lately. So you just want to start with normal braid, but you're only taking hair from the outside. You're not bringing hair into the inside. If you watch, it's just coming from the front of my head back. And you'll see why at the end and why this effect is really helpful. Just to do almost like a half a French braid. And then once you get to the bottom of the hair, you want to just bring it all down. But I did bring it slightly to the side as I was braiding back. And yeah, so then I just kept going down with the braiding it. And then once I get to the other side, I do the exact same thing. I do a Dutch braid. So, sorry, not the same thing, but like a Dutch braid on the other side. And I'm kind of pulling it slightly away from my face just to give a looser effect, because I really wanted this to be like a glamorous loose effect. And I like to have loose hairstyles as well as like really tight ones. Last hairstyle I had was quite glam and out there. So this one is slightly more casual, if I'm honest. This is one that I wouldn't wear to a wedding. Unless I had extremely long hair. If you have really long hair, this hairstyle is perfecto, because if you have longer hair, you have more body and more volume, more thickness to work with in the braid. But for me, I just don't, so I just kept going. Yeah, so we're just going to continue braiding this down. And yeah, I just felt super pretty with this makeup on. The lashes are Bell, an Irish brand. I might link them below because our lashes are insane and they last ages. So yeah, once the two braids are ready, then you just want to start pancaking them. So you just want to pull them all out of place like this, just little by little. If you're not sure what to do, or if you have a lot of layers, you just want to do little by little. But you see, if you're only pulling in hair at one side, look at the volume you can get at one side of your hair. It just changes your whole hairstyle. So yeah, like I said, if you have really long hair, I would go for this for a wedding. Personal preference, I personally wouldn't do this for like a wedding or a big glam event, just because it doesn't work well for me. Going to work, because you'll see what I'll do now in a second, going to work is kind of perfect, or like a daytime kind of thing. But I think if you have shorter hair, this just isn't up to par for going to like an event or something. You could stick flowers or something in your hair as well, jazz it up a little. But again, if this was a hairstyle you really wanted, I could make it work on my hair length. I probably could, if I'm honest. So I just kept kind of pulling it about and getting it super loose. And then I was kind of deciding exactly which way I wanted to go. So I decided to pull this side of the hair over. And what I did was I broke it up and I turned it into a 3-strand normal braid. So half this braid, as you can see, and I added it into the front braid. So I incorporated it in. You can see now what's going to happen. So you can see what I mean. If you had longer hair, you would definitely get a really big out there poof braid that would be really sexy and cute. For shorter hair, I don't think it's as nice. I just don't think it gives off the glam effect, but each to their own, whatever you'd like. So then I just kind of elasticated off with a little black elastic band. And again, history repeating itself. I just pancaked it out just to make it nice and full and beautiful. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pin it up. So you just want to get the back of your hair and you just want to pin it into place. I didn't have a clue and I could not see anything I was doing. So the effect actually turned out a lot prettier than I thought it was going to. So I just went in and I stuck in a few pins. The camera is not a good angle at this. At this angle, so I just went in and stuck a few hairpins in, just get it into place, and you'll see now when I turn around, it's absolutely beautiful. So again, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. You could use a mirror, make it a lot neater, but I love the way it turned out. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.